Here's a calendar I've populated with a few events. So what about if we want to add labels to this event, or we want to tag these events so that we can easily filter and just show specific events at a time? So particularly useful if you're managing tens or hundreds of events in a month. So for this, what we want to do is if we go to the settings panel for the calendar and we click on tags, we're going to create a tag called go to market. And this tag is going to be for all of our GTM stuff. So if I go on here and I'm going to make this green, and we also want one for conferences, let's say, and we'll make this red, and I click save. Now you'll see that what we can do is when we open up an event and click edit, or when we create the event initially, we can go to the tags tab and we can click add tag. So for example, this is a conference. I'd like to label it as a conference. You can see the color at the top changes. And if I save that, you'll see now that event has been tagged as a conference. So we can easily filter and just show those events. So let's apply this to all of the other ones as well. So now that we've tagged those events, what we can now do is we can view a subset of these events by clicking on the filter button on the left here, clicking add tag. And if we select the GTM tag now, you'll see only those events that have the tag GTM are going to be shown in the calendar. And likewise, we can do the same with the conference tag, and we can just see any events that have been tagged as a conference. So you can see like this filtering functionality makes it really easy to have something like a master calendar, for example, and then have different filters for the different teams or the different components or parts of your business to be able to simply filter down on these.